Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to A to Z tutorials. From this video we will learn a new course about ASP.NET MVC. In our very first video of ASP.NET MVC, we will learn what is ASP.NET MVC and why should you use it. Actually, MVC is a programming model for ASP.NET that have several benefits over the original programming model called web forms. Both MVC and web forms are at the top of the core ASP.NET. MVC allows you full control on HTML, but web forms allows limited control on HTML. MVC allows separately creation of models, views, and controllers that makes the testing more easy and efficient. In general, you can say that MVC emphasizes control and web forms emphasizes automation. You have to learn following front-end technologies to get started with MVC. Firstly, you have to gather good knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and HTTP. Without these technologies, you can't go smoothly with MVC, so you have to learn well about these four technologies, which are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and HTTP. Now we will create a simple project of our MVC. In my last course, I had created a video about downloading Visual Studio Community. Today I will tell you how to add MVC libraries in our Visual Studio 2015 while creating a new project of MVC. Let's start creating our first project of MVC. Click on File, New, click on Project on Website because we are creating an MVC project. If you are displaying here ASP.NET web application, then you have already installed the libraries of ASP.NET. If you can't see this in your Visual Studio 2015, then simply click on this and click OK. It will automatically download all the libraries of MVC in your Visual Studio 2015. Name your application. I named it my first MVC app. Click on OK. Now you will see empty web forms, MVC, and others options here. You have to select MVC because we are working with MVC. Click OK. It will create your MVC project. It may take a minute or 2 minutes. Wait until then. Whenever you create a new project, MVC allows you some default pages, some built-in pages already created in our new project, like accounts, home, registration form, login form. Now when you run your application after creating first MVC project in your browser, click on Google Chrome, you can see that built-in pages, default pages on your web browser. MVC always run on localhost that created by Visual Studio. Now you can see that there is your application name, home page, about page, contact page. There will no content in these pages. There is no content in these pages, but you can add your raw contact in these pages. Only footer and header is provided. In contact page, same. There is a register form and a login form. You can register yourself and make a login. There is also a little bit database behind this form, this default application. Whenever you create your email and password here, it will save in that database, and whenever you log in, it will take you to login page. In our next video, we will learn more about MVC. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.